Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we got a fairly easy one we're going to be doing. We have a 2006, it's an F350 Super Duty with a 6.0 diesel. Today we're going to be changing both the batteries in it because they both need to be replaced. I have the Craftsman tools, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the negative on both batteries before we remove the positive side if we don't want to take a chance on shorting anything out. It's a 10 millimeter here, so we're just going to loosen the 10 millimeter up, and then we're going to take this cable and lift it off and relocate it off to the side for now. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to disconnect the negative cable here also. This one's an 8 millimeter, somebody changed the bolts on already. We're going to remove that and relocate this to the side. Sometimes they stick down. You can just twist them and pull them and they'll come right off. Now we have everything disconnected as far as the ground. Now we're going to take the positive off. Now once the negative is disconnected, it doesn't matter where the wrench touches because now there is no more ground in the vehicle itself. So if by chance your wrench touches positive and hits something metal, it's not going to really make any difference. Nothing's going to happen. Take this up and off. Get that out of there. Do the same thing on the other side. Battery cover comes off. I'll show you actually. Down in the bottom, right here, you've got to put your fingers underneath this clip and just pull it out to the side. It's hard to do it with one hand, but you see this little clip right here? You got to pull this plastic piece here out and then up. So I'm going to do that. It's hard to do with just one hand, but that's what I'm going to do. Do it with one hand. Lift them off just like this, and we're just going to take out. Show you this here bolt right there. We're going to take that out and then take this lock tab out down in there, and we're going to do the exact same thing on this side down here. That little 8 millimeter bolt there, we're going to take that out and then we're going to pull both batteries out. What I do first is the one that's closest to us here. And don't lose this because you're going to need to put it back in the vehicle. Because once you drop it, it's hard to find, as you can see. Okay, we'll just pull this battery out. 8 millimeter bolt right here, which it looks like somebody left loose and didn't tighten it already. So we'll just take this out, relocate that to the side. Let's get this battery out of here. I'm going to reinstall the batteries. Make sure you put them in the same way you took them out. Positive on the side, whatever side it came out of. Now lay this in. Put your lock, tab, or hold down back in place. And screw it down. Real important to make sure you put that lock tab back in because you don't want these batteries bouncing around because you can damage the casing of the battery, lose the acid, and then you have a battery that's not going to work. Right. Put my second battery back in. Again, lay it in the way that it came out. Now, this one had this cover around it. We are going to put it back on again. All right, let me put our hold down back inside there. Try not to do what I just did a minute ago and drop it in there. Screw it in by hand first, and once you have it caught by hand, then you can tighten it in with your ratchet. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to reattach. We're going to reattach the positive cable first. Down all the way, and then tighten up the hole down. Nice and tight. Make sure you put your cover back over the top of it. We're going to go to the other side. We're going to reattach the positive on the other side also. But before we do anything with that, we're going to make sure our cover goes back on. And you just push it back down inside there, and it'll snap it back into position where it belongs. And you can hear it snap in. Sound weight will snap back in where it belongs. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to reattach the positive on this side and make sure it's tightened down adequately. You don't want to over tighten it and break it. Alright, that's nice and tight. Now after we have both positives connected, now we can reattach our negative cables. Tighten up the screws on the negative. Okay. I'm going to reattach this little plastic clip where it was in the case. We're going to tighten up the other side over here. Of course, I just want to mention, you make sure you take your protective caps off the battery because you'll have a problem where it won't start if you don't. All right. Last thing we're going to do is reconnect our negative cable on this side. Make sure it's down all the way. Spread that a little bit because it's not going down. This is actually to spread the cables just so it fits over the top of the terminal just a little bit better. If you don't have it, you can just pry it open with a screwdriver. I'll show you. Right here, you can get in here with a screwdriver and pry it open. But that's it. Okay, and once you have that on, tighten up the cable. All right, that's it. 2 batteries installed. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.